My name's Kelly Janisa. I'm the Sheriff of Jackson County, Texas. The services I use from YKC is mainly our courthouse security system. Our previous provider went out of business. The cameras were always giving us problems. Cameras would go down, the cameras would quit. Cameras mean everything to us. Had YK come in, it was seamless. I mean, they came in, I got the quote, the Commissioner's Court approved it, and it was put in on time and very efficiently. The jail has just recently had an upgrade. YK came in and did that for us, and that seemed to work just fabulous. The cameras were ultra clear. They never go down. It's real important that we get access to the cameras. It's extremely clear. We can watch the outside of the courthouse. We can watch all of our entrances, the hallways, the courtrooms. It's just really a fantastic system, and I couldn't be happier with it. It's one of those things I don't have to worry about, because if I do have a problem, which I haven't had, they're a phone call away. They're a local company. The thing that I appreciate most about YK Communications is their family. They're from here. They grew up here. They give hometown service. And if you had to ask me what was the best run business in Jackson County, I'd have to tell you YK Communications.